Amazon PPC allows sellers to put their products in front of motivated shoppers at the precise moment of intent, like finding an oasis in the desert when you're super dehydrated, or finding a winning lottery ticket on the sidewalk. But victory is not guaranteed. Fierce competition means only the savviest advertisers will thrive. In this video, we'll explore the keys to unlocking the full potential of Amazon PPC campaigns. With the right strategies, this powerful platform can propel your business to new heights. Yet, many advertisers succumb to avoidable mistakes. By learning what pitfalls to avoid, you will be primed to seize the immense opportunities. Equipped with these proven techniques for Amazon PPC mastery, your chance of Amazon success is much higher. So let's jump into it with me first telling you who I am in 45 seconds and how we can help you scale your Amazon business. Okay, so real quick, if you don't know me, my name is Ian Smith and I own an Amazon creative agency called Evolve Media Agency. At EMA, we completely revamp Amazon listings by doing top-tier product photo and video shoots that greatly increase PPC ad performance by simply boosting the product detail page's conversion rate. That's our main focus, is boosting conversion rates. We write listing copy, create user-generated content, and create video ads for Amazon PPC and TikTok. We also build out brand story sections, Amazon storefronts, and create off-Amazon marketing funnels to help drive traffic from social media. If you want free access to our Amazon listing checklist, go to amzchecklist.com. And if you are pricing portfolio and get a free listing audit, then book a free consulting call by going to emaamz.com. So now let's carry on with the video. According to Statista in 2022, Amazon holds 49% of the US e-commerce market, making it a lucrative platform for sellers to advertise their products on. The goal of Amazon PPC. Amazon PPC, a key component of Amazon's advertising ecosystem, aims to drive traffic to product listings as cost-effectively as possible. It uses a bidding system where sellers bid on keywords relevant to their products. Research from Tenuity in 2022 shows that sponsored product ads, a type of PPC, can drive up to 106% sales lift for Amazon advertisers. Key components to success on Amazon. Success on Amazon involves not just driving traffic, but also optimizing conversion rates. Traffic is pointless without conversion. According to Marketplace Pulse in 2021, listings with high-quality images and multiple videos can increase conversion rates by up to 300%. So try to put yourself in the shopper's shoes when comparing your listing to your competition and ask yourself if your images and videos are good enough and better. Important metrics to track. Metrics such as ad spend, total sales, sessions, cost per session, click-through rate, cost per click, conversion rate, and net profit are essential for assessing campaign performance. Net profit, of course, remains the ultimate goal. According to Amazon, a good conversion rate is around 10%, and anything above is considered high. We at Evolve Media typically try to get listings around that 15 to 20% conversion rate, and a lot of our clients have actually seen higher than 20% conversion rate. The higher your conversion rate, the higher your organic ranking, and the higher your PPC ROAS will be. And if you don't know what ROAS means, it's return on ad spend. Content is what will get you a higher conversion rate. So figure out ways to create more content, split test different types of content, and have a variety of content on your listing. Scaling and optimizing PPC campaigns. Scaling involves expanding the reach of your campaigns, while optimization focuses on refining existing campaigns for maximum ROI. A study by Jungle Scout in 2022 found that sellers who regularly optimize their campaigns can reduce their ACoS, which is advertising cost of sale, by up to 40%. You need to launch multiple types of campaigns and target a variety of keywords to split test different approaches so you can really figure out what is going to give you the best results. Leverage PPC for organic rankings. According to a study done by Helium 10 in 2021, PPC can actually boost your organic rankings by up to 50%. This is because Amazon's algorithm rewards listings that convert well. Regardless of whether the sale came from paid or organic clicks, the conversion data is going to show the algorithm what's up with your listing. For this reason, during the honeymoon period is when you should be spending the most money on PPC traffic because your main goal is to get sales velocity so you can rank well organically. Don't focus so much on profit during this time. In fact, plan on losing money and having a negative net profit. In these early stages, it's all about gathering data for Amazon to use in their algorithm. No traffic equals no data. Key levers for managing PPC campaigns. Effective PPC management involves optimizing bids, adding negative keywords, creating new campaigns, and adjusting budgets. One small strategy for bidding is to exact match bid the highest amounts on the first couple of keywords that are in your product title. This is because when somebody searches for those exact keywords and then sees that your title matches them, then your chances of getting the click are pretty high. Importance of analytics and incremental changes. Monitoring campaign performance and making data-driven decisions is crucial. Tenuity's research shows that sellers who make incremental changes based on data can improve their ROI by up to 60%. Adding other traffic sources. Once you've mastered Amazon PPC, consider diversifying your traffic sources. Amazon DSP, Google Ads, TikTok, and Facebook are all viable options. One thing to keep in mind here is that your ROAS on these social media platforms is almost guaranteed to be lower than what Amazon PPC is giving you. So keep that in mind and manage your expectations. Organic content on these platforms, mostly TikTok, is the best way to get the highest ROI since you have the viral aspect of it and the nearly free cost of traffic. You do need to look at these other platforms as a long-term brand building investment that will take time to truly see a positive ROI. In the short term, your ROI will most likely be break even or a negative one. Success on Amazon requires continuous improvement and optimization. So be patient and work through the obstacles, keeping in mind that Rome was not built in a day, and you may not strike it rich with one specific campaign. Basically, Amazon PPC is a powerful tool for driving traffic and boosting sales on Amazon. With proper management and continuous optimization, it can significantly enhance your Amazon selling success. Well, that's all I got for this video. Again, if you want to get access to our free Amazon listing checklist, go to amzchecklist.com, and to book a free consulting call, check out our pricing portfolio and talk to me on a Zoom call, then go to emaamz.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.